Hi everybody, Kevin with Scantech Graphics, and today we're going to be showing you a project that we finished downtown at 655 West Broadway. We have a parking garage entryway that we did. We did graphics in 5 different elevator levels, and then finally we did a gym and also a yoga room part of the gym. And then lastly, we did the garage entryway where there's a bike lot. I want to thank Michele Arnold Kush from Sati Rabinas Interiors, also known as SRI. They brought us in on this project, and very fortunate to be able to come in and work on it. So the first part of the project that we did involved 5 different floors of elevators. As you get off the elevator, there's a graphic that's on the wall. What it is, it's a downtown San Diego scene, very iconic, with a plane flying into the airport. We vectorized it and we colorized each floor to be a different color. In addition, we also had floor identifying numbers that also match the color graphic. We used adhesive-backed vinyl for this because we knew people would be touching it, so we needed a durable product that also could be cleaned. As you get off the elevator and you enter into the actual gym area itself, you have an opportunity to see the first part of the graphic that we did. So we have our first piece right here as we get off the elevators, and then as you walk around the corner, you see the full mural in all its glory. The graphic that was chosen by ownership and the designer, Michele Arnold Kush, was really designed to be printed probably at about 4 foot by 6 foot. The challenge that we had is we had to enlarge this image to be 12.5 feet high by almost 60 feet wide. So a significant challenge, but definitely one that my mural designer was up for and really did a fantastic job making this look good. This is going to be a very varying temperature type environment with people working out whenever they come back. So adhesive-backed vinyl with a laminate means it's going to stay on the wall and also be cleanable. And finally, no gym is complete without a yoga studio, which is where we're in right now. Some really vibrant color in here, but it was missing one thing, and that's this beautiful mural that we put on the wall to try to finish this off. And that covers up the storage area, but also lends itself to really an aesthetically pleasing finish to the space. Again, we use adhesive-backed vinyl here with a laminate, varying temperatures. We want to ensure that this can be a cleanable mural, the image lasts, and of course stays on the wall. So as you pull into the parking garage and you're looking for the gym entrance, there's no doubt where it is. It's a rough environment, so we wanted to really up the game a little bit and make it a dramatic entry. So this is actually painted. This was the idea of the designer to give a more permanent and different look to it. So we actually came in, we stenciled out the graphic and then used paints to complete it, which means we're going to have a very vibrant and durable image, even though this is a pretty rough place being a parking garage. As you can see, we've got the address here and we've done amazing graphic here. So if you spent any time downtown, you've seen the increase in bike lanes down here. Good, bad, or otherwise, it's a push that the city of San Diego is making. So as a result, ownership of buildings needs to have a place for people to park their bikes. Well, this is what we did to make sure that people know exactly where to park their bikes. Here we have a bike locker. We've got a beautiful vinyl graphic that we did on here, and this is a very unique vinyl because this is actually designed to go on concrete. Extremely aggressive adhesive, very durable, and is going to stick on the wall, and it's also cleanable. On the back, we just did a very nice mural which draws people's attention when they're looking for the bike locker. No doubt about it, this is where I park my bike.